Hey y'all, so today we are making Easter bags for the kids. Yes, you heard me right, bags, not baskets. Stay tuned. So, with everyone being on lockdown and quarantine, I wanted to be more intentional about what I put in my Easter bags. Um, so I decided to make them personally so I can fill them according to what each kid desired, instead of buying them from the store when we know it's full of paper and nothing. Those Easter baskets are horrible. But I found these bags at Rite Aid. They had four different animals. I thought they were adorable, and I have four girls to make bags for, so it was perfect. I got the cupcake filled Easter eggs from Walgreens and the cute little bunny Easter eggs from the local dollar store around the corner from my house. When I was a kid, my mom used to fill our eggs up with cute little notes, like telling us, like, a free Chuck E. Cheese, day, or a movie day where she would take us out of school early and we'd go see the movie we wanted to see, and she would even put money in it. So I thought that'd be cute to do. I'm putting $1 in, but my mom used to put like $10, $20 bill. She used to hook us up, and I loved it. So that's me just filling them up for the kids. And just a side note for anyone who's wondering, these bags are made for girls. The youngest is 11 months old, and the oldest are 9. Just an FYI. Here I will start assembling all the bags. I'm going to play a little background music for y'all. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next time, and stay safe.